Welcome to Compulocks unboxing and instructional video for the MacBook Pro Universal Ledge Lock Adapter. When you receive your order, in the box you will have your ledge lock adapter, fixing tool, 2 screws and instructions. To install the ledge lock adapter, turn your MacBook upside down and identify the fixing position. Choose which side of the MacBook you want to install your adapter, and with the fixing tool remove 1 screw. Align the ledge lock adapter with the screw hole on your MacBook, and then using one of the supplied screws and the fixing tool, fix the adapter to the reverse of your MacBook. Your ledge lock adapter is now installed. Turn the MacBook over, take your cable lock and install the lock head into the slot and lock the MacBook. Your MacBook is now secured and ready to use.